Yeah! Dare I whip and nay-nay for a moment?
Кира.
Chat. I lied. Nobody's here but me. I lied.
12 seconds later.
Good night, What the fuck is this? The batter!
Wait, batter? I hardly know her.
Alright, for real this time. I don't know that mouth first you use it. I'm gonna have to call you back. I really hate those 45-degree floors. Someone tells me I'm gonna remember that one. Hello? Is anyone in here? Body language! Oh my god, would you shut your... Mom?
Why is everyone sniffing? Sniff is a streamer. Ooh. Hello, Sniff.
Hi, Tommy.
That's a funny name to do with cocaine. Oh! The Emperor Fills on Minecraft. People are sniffing because there was a streamer called Snifferfish on the poster and
My name is not Snifferfish. What the fuck? Okay, sorry. Anyways.
stream thing is that she sniffs people when she raids.
I'd like to clarify right now that I did not raid Tommy.
Oh no! Have I had the sniffers come over to me, Phil? AKA the drug users of Twitch. Oh my goodness. Why didn't I call my hashtag fans the sniffers? That's such a good name. I could have...
Thank you! I'm glad that somebody finally appreciates it! Oh my god, pop off.
I could have branded you all as drug... Oh. They are sniffing you. No, stop it!
Alright. What's this then?
Wait. I think I know you. Are you the were you the leader of Mantopia?
What is that stupid hat?
Wow.
Look at his hat.
Look at his hat.
Here, look at your stupid hat. Look at this guy's hat.
Yay, I get to be in the episode.
Look at the hat.
Yay.
Castle.
You are awesome, Schlatt.
Thank you, Francis. You know, you're growing on me.
Simp.
Hey, you look fantastic.
Are they kissing?
Let's continue the.
Why is everyone's instinct to punch us?
All the cool kids were doing it. I just wanted to be popular.
All right. One of you has to press my very special button.
Hello, 911.
The act of crouching.
It's a fatal syndrome.
Holy shit.
My god.
Ooh, glad.
See that?
What the hell? Excuse me, everyone.
What?
I got your message. One sec. Hi, Tommy. I got your message, or at least I think it was from you. I hope you're okay, and I'm here for you. Talk soon. My therapy update! Oh, God. What are my parents going to think I'm streaming, man? Can you believe that the fucking Minecraft server is... the main event that's happening right now is he's getting therapy for all of the trauma. What the fuck is going on?
I admit it's exciting, but to make a